here there was one demolition activity I put. So here we
Demolition is there is one more activity to put. That is one more is like
truck.
no, it is not, but it is can be interface.
Yeah.
I don't need an interface.
No, I can put another one here. I can put another.
There will be another, right? Go down. There will be others.
No, I don't know.
Put others. There will be others. Put others. Okay, here you put uploading, loading and uploading of train, loading and unloading of train for the truck. It is called loader or what you call loader or truck?
Truck.
Trailer. Loading and uploading of trailer.
Or dumper.
Trailer or dumper, yeah.
Correct.
Okay. So when you're loading also, if there is imbalance, it can talk.
Yeah.
Right?
Couples of people.
So that is a critical because you're not going to put tons of soil.
Yeah.
With a measure.
So okay. So by the time
I came to because I'm part of the team, so I know what happened at site. But yeah, it is something different. Yeah, because this one is required of planning. Now we have to have the planning method statements and other approval. You put here an existing prevention control or previous one, yeah. You put not WMS.
approved method statement.
Yeah, FRA, put FRA first. FRA and then method statement. And competent personnel. Okay. Let them come back. If someone is coming, we know how it will be. Then we can see that is.
So, what time now? There was one recommendation before.
4C, 4B.
4B. I remove this interface. Do you have interface? A management plan is there?
There is nothing. There is
construction review.
It is not an interface actually. This is the existing facility. There is no.
And we are doing constructive review. We are doing anyway.
Yeah.
So. Now, for truck loading and offloading, hazard sources, heavy.
The heavy soil itself.
Heavy load.
Heavy soil load.
Threat is?
Threat is
vehicle topple up.
Two way. One is offloading activity itself is well because if you are offloading the soil at ground level, if something is nearby or somebody is nearby, it can be killed because of the stress.
What do you say?
Because it will be
what is cause? Threat is what? Threat is vehicle, heavy loaded vehicle.
Toppled and material offloading. Heavy loaded
vehicle.
Vehicle off. The first thing is toppling up. If suppose it will be topple up.
Top event. Vehicle topple.
Vehicle top. Vehicle topple and offloading. And offloading of material.
Material. Of soil.
Like we are about 5 meter. How much million cubic meter of the soil? What is that quantity? You have idea? No idea? We are talking about kilometers of areas with 5 meter
depth.
Very high.
Very high.
So that is like a big mountain you are going to.
Big mound. Big man-made mound.
Big mountain.
And so
no, it is fatality of the person. Yeah.
I'm a engineer fatality.
Yeah. Aspects. You do aspects. And you put this to the aspects.
Yeah. I will put 4. Put 4, 3. See, I mean, this is this is a 4. This is a C. What is safeguard? Vehicle movement procedure is there. Vehicle loading and unloading. Loading and unloading. You have loading and unloading procedure?
Barricading area and no goals.
The first is loading and unloading procedure. Yeah. You have to have loading and unloading procedure. Truck. And then machine guarding, right? Machine guarding. Distance. barricade area,
Yeah, barricade.
and trend stop. Right?
Say computer drivers.
Yeah. And warning signboard, you are going to put warning signboards.
One signboard. Verification.
So construction ERP, Medivac. Let them say what the make it be. So we're happy, but they need to come back here. Okay, no problem. So what we can do, we can have a short break, right? In meantime, people can come. So guys, we are taking a short break. It's 11:30. Let's come back at around 45 and resume the session. Almost all the guide words we have seen. We'll come back here.
Okay.
And then we review it, and then we cross, right? So guys, we are